for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 Lexus IS. The IS is the compact luxury sedan offered by Lexus under Toyota. The IS fits the bill for sports-minded drivers looking for luxury in a compact design. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, security system, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, CD player, fog lights, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.